Yesterday, your problems belong to someone else. Yesterday, you said you couldn't do it all by yourself. Yesterday, you woke up and decided I won't go to work. I think my boss is hating me. He's such a jerk. Yesterday, you hit the post up. You said I got nothing but some time. Yesterday, you said, hey man, I feel like getting blind. Yesterday, you blamed the preacher, teacher, family, and your friends.
Hello, this is Janet M. Taylor, better known as Organizer Janet. And this series, I'm going to be sharing with you how to repurpose products in your home. And in this segment, I'm going to be sharing with you how I've repurposed a few items in the kitchen. This is a basket. That was a gift basket. So what I've done is I put my measuring cups in there, and it's a great drawer organizer. We all have those used food storage containers. So what I've done is I've actually taken all of my hooks, put them in one, and it keeps them nice, organized, and accessible. And in this last item, sometimes we have those baskets and they may get just a little damaged. Well, this is perfect because even though it's damaged, I'm repurposing and using it underneath my kitchen sink. And it's really great because I can just pull it out, and then I can just, whatever item I need to use, I just pull that out, and then I can just slip this back underneath the sink, and it fits great. So these are 3 ways that I am repurposing items in my kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed this repurposing segment, and you can reach me directly at www.janetmtaylor.com. And until next time, have a clutter-free day.